Hey there, everybody. Undead Man 360 here. Going with a Pokemon trading card game opening. Pack opening. There we go. I can speak. I can open a booster pack. Thank you. Yes, load. Okay. Open. Open. Anything backwards? Any backwards packs? Nope. Okay. Starting planes. Each Pokemon in play, both yours and your opponent's, gets plus 20 HP. Interesting. Hone Edge. Cut up. Doesn't seem like a very good card. Also doesn't seem like a very good card. Except for maybe the weakness thing. Gossifleur. Gossifleur. Razor Leaf. Billy Bolt. That one's a new one for me. It's been a while since I've actually played the Pokemon games, so interesting. Come on. Yes, got 20 cards. Next. Very busy. It's very busy. I'm in a hurry to do a lot of nothing. I didn't see any spinning ones, so... Furfrou. Fur Coat. This Pokemon takes negative 20 damage from attacks. That's actually not that bad. Colorless? Well, yeah, Colorless Energy. That is actually pretty good. Alolan Grimer. Pound. Snubble. Vanillite. Persian. That one actually looked kind of cool. Alright, so that's my pack openings for today. Hope y'all have a great day. Peace.